Are you ready to sneeze your way into history? Let's talk about the longest sneezing streak ever. Meet Donna Griffiths from the UK. She started sneezing on January 13th, 1981, and didn't stop for 978 days straight. That's nearly 3 years of achoo. By the time she hit the 1-year mark, Donna had sneezed over 1 million times. Just imagine! Her sneezes could probably fill a sneeze museum. Pause, chuckle. Fun fact, the average sneeze travels at about 100 miles per hour. So Donna's sneezes could have broken speed limits. Next time you have a sneezing fit, just remember it could be worse. Stay sneezy, my friends. Like and follow for more wacky world records.